Today, we're reviewing the top 5 best speed adjustable churro equipment so you can choose the right one for your purpose. After 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list to save you time and money. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description below. Those links update regularly, so you'll see current deals and availability. If you have a question, drop it in the comments. Oh yes, since we're a new channel, don't forget to subscribe to us, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification as it will help us grow. So let's get started with the video. Number 5. Cubelin 15L Commercial Churro Maker. A great churro starts with consistent dough extrusion, and the Cubelin 15L churro maker brings commercial capacity and control into your kitchen or small food business. If you're catering parties, running a food stall, or adding churros to a café menu, this large capacity vertical machine is designed to push out uniform churros quickly, cleanly, and with minimal effort. The heavy-duty stainless build and large hopper help you produce high volumes during rushes, while the adjustable nozzles let you tailor shape and size to your recipe and presentation style. What stands out here is output and consistency. The vertical press design uses leverage to move thick churro dough smoothly through interchangeable dies, creating crisp ridges that fry evenly and hold cinnamon sugar beautifully. With a 15L capacity, you spend less time refilling and more time frying, which is essential when serving lines form. The stout frame, steel cylinder, and secure clamps keep the machine planted and safe, even as you apply pressure to stiffer doughs. Ease of use also matters. Loading the canister is straightforward, the handle throw feels predictable, and the extrusion speed is easy to control for uniform lengths. Cleaning is simplified by removable parts and a smooth stainless interior. A warm water soak loosens dough residue before a food-safe detergent wash. For operators, that means faster end-of-day cleanup and better hygiene compliance. If you're scaling up production, school fairs, festivals, pop-up stands, or weekend markets, this is a practical, professional-leaning solution. Pair it with a reliable fryer, a wire rack for draining, and a cinnamon sugar dredge station, and you'll deliver churros with a crisp exterior and tender center at pace. Here are some pros and cons we found to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right products and your importance. Number 4. Pato Stainless Churros Gun Kit. Want fresh churros at home without committing to a commercial rig? The Pato Stainless Churro Gun is a compact, hand-press kit that lets you pipe dough directly into hot oil, then dust and serve in minutes. It's ideal for family nights, small gatherings, and recipe testing thanks to an easy trigger-style design, a set of piping discs and nozzles, and simple cleanup. If you've struggled with pastry bags and star tips for consistent ridges, this gun-style press gives you the control and grip you need. The key advantage is ergonomics and versatility. The trigger mechanism makes it easier to push thick churro dough, reducing hand fatigue compared to basic syringes or piping bags. Multiple discs and nozzle shapes let you switch from classic ridged sticks to filled-friendly tubes or bite-sized churro dots for toppings and dips. The stainless construction improves durability and hygiene, and included cleaning brushes simplify maintenance in tight channels. For best results, chill the dough slightly to help it hold shape, extrude directly over the oil for clean cuts with kitchen scissors, and maintain a steady oil temperature for even frying and a custardy interior. The compact format stores easily, and the quick setup makes spontaneous dessert runs realistic, no giant hoppers to dismantle. If you're a home cook or baker who wants cafe-style churros on demand, this kit hits the sweet spot between control, quality, and convenience at a friendly price. Here are some pros and cons we found to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right products and your importance. Number 3. 2-in-1 vertical sausage stuffer and chio maker. If you want one tool that can handle both sausage stuffing and Spanish-style chao extrusion, this stainless vertical stuffer is a clever, budget-friendly multitasker. It ships with sausage funnels and dedicated chio parts, so you can switch from savory to sweet with a quick nozzle swap. The hand crank gear set provides 2 fill speeds on many models, making it easier to push thicker chao dough without blowouts and to finesse delicate sausage casings without splits. The vertical canister is easy to load, the clamped-down base keeps the unit stable, and the polished stainless surfaces clean up with a warm soak and brush set. For churros, the straight, steady extrusion yields classic ridges with sharp edges that fry up crispy. For sausages, the slow speed gives you the control needed for uniform links. It's a smart choice for small food businesses, food trucks, and home enthusiasts who love versatility. While it won't match the raw throughput of a large commercial chio press, the 2-in-1 value means you can run pop-ups and weekend markets without buying separate machines. Keep spare gaskets on hand, lube the gears sparingly with food-safe grease, and you'll get reliable performance across both uses. Here are some pros and cons we found to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right products and your importance. Number 2. Commercial chio maker machine, adjustable nozzles. When consistent shape, speed, and presentation matter, think food stalls, cafeterias, and high-traffic events. This adjustable nozzle chio machine offers the right blend of output and precision without the bulk of the largest rigs. The vertical canister design supports thicker doughs, while interchangeable dies give you control over diameter, ridge definition, and even hollow cores for fillings like dulce de leche or chocolate. Operation is straightforward: load, lock, and press. The lever throw provides predictable extrusion so you can cut uniform lengths rapidly as they exit the die. A sturdy, all-metal build handles repeated cycles, and the smooth interior walls help prevent sticky buildup. Finished churros fry more evenly because the ridges are crisp and consistent, improving sugar adhesion and crunch. For teams, workflow is efficient. One person extrudes and cuts while another fries and finishes, keeping lines moving. After service, break down the head assembly, soak, brush, and air dry. Stainless components make sanitation simpler. If you're growing from home production to commercial events, this machine is a confidence-boosting upgrade. Here are some pros and cons we found to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right products and your importance. Number 1. Sausage Stuffer Spanish Chao Machine, Pro Pick. Topping the list for sheer durability and day-in, day-out reliability, this professional-grade vertical stuffer doubles as a Spanish chao machine with dedicated nozzles and a gear system designed for dense mixtures. It's the kind of tool kitchens and food trucks rely on when service volume spikes: a smooth hand crank with reduction gearing, a rigid canister that resists flex, and locking hardware that stays put under load. The performance translates into beautiful churros, sharp ridges, clean edges, and straight lengths that fry to a shattering crisp outside and a tender interior. With accessory dies, you can produce classic sticks, filled ready tubes, or mini bites for sampler boxes. Stainless construction resists corrosion, cleans quickly, and maintains a polished look even with heavy use, which is important for open kitchen setups. From a workflow perspective, it's efficient and confidence-inspiring. The base is stable, the canister loads easily, and the crank allows fine control over extrusion rate, reducing waste and improving uniformity. For operators planning to monetize churros at events or in-store, the combination of durability, control, and multi-nozzle flexibility makes this machine a long-term investment that pays back through speed and consistency. Here are some pros and cons we found to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right products and your importance. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.